What's going on, everybody? It's Zombie Slayer here. We're back with another rebuild. Today we're rebuilding the Suns for a year. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 going on right now. And let's get to it. That's weird. No, we're just gonna start. Dude, Pete! Let's see how this will work. So, here we are with Phoenix Suns. We probably only 2 points because we spent one whole part in the off season. So yeah, I'm keeping Devin, but Devin Booker. Oh, I need it. Oh. Ah, oh, it's DJ Warren. I hate him. He sucks. Alright, but okay, finally, got it. With the bird. Done. I thought their appearance was in 85. Wait. Their appearance was in 85. Was it in? Oh, since age doesn't matter anymore. Age doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter because we're only doing 1 season, so it doesn't really matter. Wait, why did you do that? Give me the first week. Without 2K1. Or beauty. 2D. If CPU don't get this correct, I'll be so mad. First win in the season is the first game of the season. Okay, I'll take that. That's that. We already got a super team. The super team has already been built. A super team has already been built, people. Let's go. We're only simulating. This is. What am I doing? Look at this big 3. Look at this big 4 name. Let's see what we can get for these 2. Let's see if we can make a big 5. This is not gonna be possible. Told ya. See any guys? No, I don't do that. Look at. Let's stop doing trash. I need to simulate the first week. I don't care about the adjustments. How do we list to the Warriors? We have a big 4. Big 4. We want a big 5. I just moved my thumb. That's all I have to do. But it doesn't really matter. Bruh, 80% from the field? Bruh. 80% from the field. It says right there. What the? I like our team. This might be just one part. Because our team is awesome. No! Now we only have a big 3 to 6 to 8 wins. So let's simulate it till 20. Christmas Eve. No way! I'm doing that. Yes. Let's just do this because let's go! We had Drew Holiday as a backup. When Eric Bledsoe was gone, he's the starter. So stuff is good. I don't know why it takes me so much to load. Okay, now you need to simulate to be 24 again. We're 12 and 4! Whoa, we're only 3. We're 13 and 5, and we're only 5th in the conference. Wait, whoa, 14 and 5. Only makes 5th. The 19-0. Chill, Warriors. We're the best in the East. Cleveland, what's wrong with your butt faces? What's wrong with this butt face team? They always do terrible in my simulations. I mean, yeah. And I don't have to say to Kevin Love and Justin Thompson. Yeah, I think it's only those two beat them. And Warriors, I bet, are still undefeated. Because they're never not undefeated. No! Oh my god. Who lost that? Why does everyone talk different? Our division's bad. We got that. Look, we got 3 A's. And let's see the stats, so we could trade someone at least. Player stats. Who's the worst of them all? No, you're not. Jordan Crawford, you're okay. You're pretty good since you're off the bench. This guy, I do not know who to replace. This team is working like a team, but we're not even winning. Makes extreme no sense. So I'm not even gonna look, and I'm gonna go away. I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna go away. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. I'll come back. I'm gonna disable the CPU trays. I disabled them, now I'm gonna come back. I'm back a little bit too early, but it doesn't really matter. We lost by 40 points? What the heck? We should have been at least down by 20 at least. 2, 5. No, man, this is not it. We beat them, but we lost it. We win, we lost. We lost. And we win. Don't know why I'm doing this. Let's end off. Okay, good. Oh, okay, we beat them by like 40. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see the standings. And the Warriors are still like 50-0. Why are the Houston Rockets so good? Division. They're 10-2 in the division. What am I doing? Whoa. Gonna go to standing division. They lost 2 times to one of these 4 teams. Wow. Yeah. I don't think I want to do anything. I'm just gonna simulate the whole time. No. I have an all-star team though. I don't think I want to stop. I start with 2-8. Devin Booker and Eric Bledsoe, you gotta do better in real life. And now it's Josh Jackson. You should do a lot better. And 2K, you're even worse. Even with super good players. This is not going well for us. We're on a 8-game losing streak. We were on an 8-game losing streak. Now we are fifth place in the conference. We are always going to be fifth. We beat the Warriors. Oh, we're good. We're 4. End the season with the win. Okay, we're 4. Well, we had a little bit of struggles and a little bit not struggles. So yeah, Ty Lawson, blah blah blah. Nobody's on my team. Then nobody. 68-14, not 67-15. Good job, Warriors. Yeah, win the game. Kevin Durant made the second team, and Steph Curry made the third team. Nobody on our team is on this, so it doesn't really matter. Look at this pack. 48 and 34 makes it. Why are the Milwaukee Bucks always first? Man, what's wrong with them? Look, they're only 57 and 25. They're tied with second place. They should be third place. Blah, 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 whatever. See, what am I doing? If we get kicked out, I'm just gonna do random stuff because I don't care. We should be able to sweep. Is it because you're scared of cat? Yeah, it looks like you're scared of cat. What the? Why are we scared of cat? Okay. At least we did better than last season, probably. Toronto. Used to like that team, but first season, a failure. Let's see if we can do better next time. No. At least we got some good players. I'll see you guys in part 2 of this stuff. Like, sorry.